Marist community and a Marist school, we are deeply saddened to hear about the news at Trinity Catholic College in Lismore. We're really going to try our best to try and help out. We're going to do this through things like raising money, and we really hope that we can try and make a difference, because we are so saddened as to what's happened with the floods. Some people have lost their homes and they've obviously lost their schools, so we're going to try our absolute best.
We really hope as a Marsden community that you can get behind us in helping to raise money, get supplies together, anything that we can do to help support this, the people who are suffering from this tragedy.
We'd like to encourage all Marsden boys and staff to support in the fundraising efforts to help Trinity College. Today, we'll be having a sausage sizzle, and when you're having that sausage, I encourage you guys to look up at the Hermitage and you'll be able to see a little marker to indicate the flooding levels and actually how deep the flooding was at Trinity. There was 2 whole stories, and that's where the marker will be. We hope this gives you a sense of just how grave the floodings were.
The Game Changers boys will be supporting Trinity Catholic College throughout the year, and we would love to hear some of your ideas on how it could help, and we'll keep the college within our prayers.